Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, PandJ's Homestead Adventure. Jason and I are part of a collab called Candy Christmas. It is hosted by our friends Tammy at Mountain Grandma and Lisa at Yogi Hollow Farm. The collaboration runs the whole month of December, and there'll be giveaways on a live stream on January 3rd on Lisa's channel that you can enter yourself in just by simply leaving comments on all of the videos in the playlist. Hope you stop by to watch all of the great recipes in the Candy Christmas collab. The links for Mountain Grandma and Yogi Hollow Farm and the playlist will be in our description. But first, we got to start this day right and have a cup of coffee. Our friend Jen's link will be in our description. Jason and I just arrived home from our Alaska vacation, and now it's time to get ready for the holidays. First day home. Yesterday we woke up in Alaska, and today we woke up in New York State. And Jason is going hunting. It is still bow hunting season here in New York State, and we want to fill the freezer. Good luck, Jay. Jason and I are going on a road trip to Rochester and then Buffalo to visit family for the holidays. My mother has always been the candy maker in the family, so we decided to make some of our favorite ones for the holiday. We just started off with some Hershey chocolate because most people can find Hershey's chocolate in any store.
I was working during the day, but in the evenings I would do chocolate. Tub full of sucker molds. It's a Valentine's Day mold. Okay.
How pretty.
And so on. Now I did weddings, so I have a whole tub full of ones for just weddings. Then I have anniversaries, baby showers, wedding showers, flat ones that are just for like anything at all, to serve candy, like during a football game or even just people that wanted chocolate. Okay.
How nice.
And communion, Thanksgiving, and so I'll have a whole tub just of sucker molds.
You sure do, Ma.
Yeah.
My mother's preferred method for melting chocolate is with a double boiler. And here's an oldie but goodie. I remember my mother using this throughout my whole childhood. The water goes in the bottom, the chocolate goes in the middle, and it keeps your chocolate warm during the whole process. We chose to use the microwave this day, 30 seconds at a time, and then you stir, 30 seconds at a time, and then you stir.
And one of the things that I do is when I wash my strawberries and I let them dry, I always make sure that I have the top part here sticking straight up so it's easy for you to pick up and dip into the chocolate.
Good tip, Mom.
Because that's how everybody's going to hold it when they eat it and also when you dip it.
Perfect. Doesn't that look yummy? Who doesn't like strawberries and chocolate?
Now, here we go. You make sure you shake it off. There you go. See, I didn't shake it off enough. I had a little dripple. That's okay, because when my kids are little, they'd lick it.
We didn't waste any chocolate, did we?
Nope.
They look so pretty, Mom.
Mm-hmm. I used to do this for a lot of, for weddings and especially baby showers. Or even wedding anniversaries. They like that.
How long do we let them dry, Mom?
You actually let them dry until you can actually pick it up without them sticking to the wax paper.
Okay. And now what are we going to do, Mom? I think it's everybody's favorite, chocolate-covered Oreos. We're using a little toothpick.
Yeah.
Show them how we use the toothpick. We just put it in the cream.
Yeah.
Oh, chocolate on an Oreo. Let it drip.
And drip, drip, drip.
Okay.
All right. So you still have a spot where you can take the toothpick out and let it sit.
Yay. Let's keep doing those.
You put the toothpick into the Oreo cookie, and then you splash it around. Let it drip. Whoops. There we go. And then you put it on the wax paper.
Almond bars are so easy to make. You can make them prettier, of course, but we just laid the almonds down and we poured the chocolate right on top and made an almond bar. And we'll just break it up and put it on the plate. We're going to add coconut to the chocolate. Coconut clusters.
Yep. Now you put a little bit on each, hold it on there like that. And then you take it over here. And you can spread it out a little bit. This way you can make them any size that you want.
Could even use like a watermelon or cantaloupe baller to make them all the same size.
Yep.
And I don't think there's going to be anybody that'll mind licking the bowl.
Or the spoons.
Or the spoons. Coconut clusters, chocolate-covered Oreos, an almond bar, and chocolate-covered strawberries.
Where do you want to put them here?
Sure.
I'm going to eat that one.
Okay, you can eat it. An hour's worth of time, but a lifetime of memories. We hope you all had a Merry Christmas and wish you all a very happy New Year. On the way home, we stopped back into Rochester to visit with Jason's dad. And he showed us a street with beautiful Christmas lights that we thought we would share with all of you.